Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to on dark modes in WhatsApp in iPhone. It's very easy and very fast. You need look in your screen the touch in your this, okay? Night shift off or dark mode on. When you activate this in your general settings from your his iPhone, can you see now your WhatsApp? Example, my WhatsApp now is white, okay? Because my general setting from my iPhone is white. But is if I touch this and activate dark mode here, can you see now my dark mode in WhatsApp? And this is all. This is all. Okay. If you want to say me anything, can you write in the comment from this video? Sorry for my bad English. I want to trying to learn and speak English. And see you later. Have a good day.